Hello, I'm your realtor Julio Gonzalez with Team Move powered by Fathom Realty. Today we're talking about home equity with my good friend Jackie Mosley with Trinity Mortgage.
Thanks, Julio. I'm glad to be here today with you to talk about this subject that's near and dear to my heart and to teach our viewers about the benefits of home equity.
Jackie, understanding home equity is critical for every homeowner. Tell us why it's so important.
It's very important, Julio, because for most people, home equity is the largest financial asset that they will have probably in their life. For the vast majority of homeowners, this represents financial stability for them and resources that they can tap into in the future as needed.
So Jackie, how do we build home equity?
Home equity is built in two ways, Julio. You build home equity by the mortgage payment you make each month, and the vast majority of home equity comes from the appreciated value of the home. On average, the home appreciates 5% per year.
And we've seen tremendous appreciation over the past several years, especially during COVID. I believe Broward right now is at about a 4% appreciation. Miami-Dade's at about 6%. So correct me if I'm wrong, but if my home is worth $300,000 and I owe $200,000, the equity that I have is $100,000, correct?
Correct. And that's the equity that you can access through home equity loans or home equity lines of credit.
So Jackie, how can I tap into the equity that I have stored in my home?
Two ways you could do that. There's a home equity loan or home equity line of credit. With the home equity loan, that is you receive a lump sum and it has a fixed rate. The home equity line of credit, that acts like a credit card. So you have a line of credit available to you. You're only charged interest on the part of the line of credit that you actually use. You're not charged any interest till you use something with the line of credit. The other thing you need to keep in mind with the home equity line of credit is that it has a variable interest rate, an adjustable interest rate, so that can adjust on you, and you'll need to keep that in mind.
So if I have, say, a $50,000 line of credit and I use $20,000 as I did recently to replace my roof, what am I paying on?
At that point, you're only paying on the $20,000 that you actually use. Just like a credit card, you only pay on the amount that you actually use.
Which is fantastic, because I've had my home equity line of credit for the 7 or so years that I've lived in this home, and I've tapped into it a couple of times, but it's always there available for any issues that come up, any large expenses. It's like having your own personal piggy bank.
Yes, correct. And it helps with your financial stability in case of emergencies, such as you need that roof in emergency. So it's a great benefit that homeowners have.
And let's talk about investment, because a lot of my customers are looking to generate some wealth, right, through investments. Can I use the home equity to purchase an investment property?
Yes, you can, and a lot of investors do this. They take the money they receive from the home equity line of credit or loan and use that as a down payment towards an investment property. And there are also loans like the DSCR loan, which a lot of investors use, and all they need is the 20% down and the income generated from the investment property. As long as that covers your mortgage payment, your income or debt to income ratio is not taken into account.
That's fantastic, because a lot of people don't realize how much you can do with your home equity. You've got, customers of mine that want to invest. They don't have that additional down payment, but the money is available in their home.
Yeah.
So it's a perfect opportunity to leverage that in order to be able to start with that first property. That property will appreciate, will gain equity, and then you can use that for that second and third and fourth property.
Exactly. It's definitely a tool in the toolbox for investors.
That's fantastic. So Jackie, to summarize, home equity is an essential aspect of home ownership that can provide financial flexibility. So Jackie, I wanted to thank you for coming today and helping share with my viewers how important home equity is and what you can do with it and the tremendous value.
Yes, thank you for inviting me, Julio. It's been my pleasure. And I just love educating my homeowners and my would-be homeowners on the benefits of homeownership.
So if you have any questions around home equity line of credit, mortgages and so forth, I will include Jackie's information down in the comments. So you can feel free to reach out directly to Jackie. If you need me to make a connection, just reach out to me and we'll get you the information that you need to be able to tap into that home equity and maybe get you that next home. If you found this video helpful or informative, let me know in the comments below and let me know what other topics you'd like for me to share and help you on your real estate journey. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe below and hit the notification bell to be alerted each time a new video posts. Trusted experience, real results, strong partnerships, building dreams and legacies one home at a time. That's Team Move.